Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Commonwealth Honda in Lawrence, Massachusetts, we have the 2024 Honda Accord Touring. This is the hybrid, stickered here, 39985. Where do they put the color? Meteorite gray over gray. 2-liter, 4-cylinder. Obviously made it to the hybrid powertrain. Absolutely gorgeous interior. I've been dying to try the new redesigned Accord, and this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Do have a sunroof on this one, just like the Civic redesign that happened. Brand new dashboard. Everything does look very high quality. I have not actually driven this car yet, so this is gonna be pretty new for me. Heads-up display, Bose audio. Hop inside. See all the infotainment screen here. All the touch points, everything in here, very, very high quality. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Absolutely gorgeous car. Now for the fun part, let's take it out on the road, see how this redesigned Accord drives. Driven a ton of the previous generation, very familiar with the platform. So I'm very curious to see how this one feels. Right off the bat, I'm impressed how quiet it is. Feels obviously similar to the previous gen, but everything feels a little bit more refined, even over big bumps in the New England area, which is common in springtime. Very, very composed, very quiet. For the price point, it feels a lot pricier than it's actually priced. And that's what the direction Honda's going. Very impressed with all of the touch points. Every single thing you are going to be touching while driving feels higher quality than you'd expect at the price. So one thing Honda got right was the brake pedal feel, because most hybrids I drive, brake pedals are like on-off switch. This one's very progressive, very linear. Yeah, so far so good. I'm pretty impressed with this. Obviously I love the Civic Type R, love the new Civic. It's pretty obvious to understand why I'm gonna like this car. Impressive. 589 miles. Wow. All right, I just noticed how much range this thing has. That is downright impressive. feels German at highway speeds, and that is a big compliment. German cars, they feel so planted. This is a big step in the right direction. For under $40,000, this is impressive. This is really impressive. No, I think this is a huge step in the right direction. Didn't think you could improve upon the previous generation that much, but I guess you could. And that I noticed that in the Civic Type R, the first gen, the FK8, was an awesome car. Then they went and did it even better, and that's rung true here on the Accord. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much to Commonwealth Honda for having me, and I will see you all in the next one.